guys, behind me is an RX8. It's come in here to have it fully like restored, overhaul, what you want to call it. It's having a unique colour scheme on it. Yeah, we're keeping all these on, but it's going to be like a freshen up. Like it's got a crack there, and yeah, basically it's having 2 new arches on it. Oh, come here. You can't see it properly. It's going to have 2 brand new arches on it because it's all bubbled up, and it's had it like previously it's been done and it's been filled. So we can't really fix rust. So the best way to do it is actually cut it off, take another fresh bit of metal in it, so it's like clean. So yes, so basically we are stripping this car down. Hi viewers, a couple of days ago we had a complete RX8. Well, it's still complete, but we stripped it. Dun -dun -dun -dun. It's ready for its overhaul. Over there are the bumpers. See that? All the lips are off. Back to like a, what do you call, a shell or cover. Tailgate's off. All the other parts are over there. Wings are off. We're replacing the wing on this because this is rotten. Yes. These bits we don't need. We put them on the shelf. These bits we're painting. We're boxed up. This door will be stripped to bare metal, nitromorsed off because it's got a bad paint job here. And these parts, I'm going to take it to my mate in Manilian Browns to get it powder coated to black because they're like not nice. So it's like we're building it up. So yes, keep an eye on this build, boys or lads or fellas. I'll be making more content on this. We're putting a new sill on and everything. Good night. Definitely wasn't welded. Hello guys, this is the rear arch that's been charged for welding. I've took all the inner liners out, and oh, can you see? Oh, can you see? A little bit of welding there, not a lot. See? We go all the way through the lip. I'll get a better view from this side. Boom. Should we look all the way up there? No welding. No welding. Oh. No welding. No welding. Gap. And this is the little bit of welding I've done. And not even being sealed. Hi guys, I took this inner arch out on this side, and this is what it looks like inside. See the 2 joins, if it's had an arch on it, it should have like burnt through marks. Oh, original. No burn through marks, but there's filler here. And down there. Let me show you a welding. This is their welding. This is what a welder looks like, boys. MIG wire comes out with a gas. This is not welding, boys. I'm not here to call out any companies, but hopefully that clip shows that it wasn't a lot of welding in there. And the woman, the owner, she did pay for welding, and obviously it wasn't welded. You can tell by the inside. It's only a slight little bit of welding. It's all bubbled back through. That's why it's here. So basically, we're just waiting for the seals to turn up from Poland now. Hello guys, a box. This could be the RX8 arches. Let's have a look.